Now in the previous video we have applied texture to our material. Now we will see some different options provided by this material editor. Let's clear this. So to clear this texture, all you need to do, simply click and choose clear. Now right now it's as you guys can see, it's only one color, but suppose if I want to apply gradient to it, so what I can do, I can simply go over here, and as you guys can see, we will get color, Fresnel and gradient. So I'll click on gradient over here. So as soon as I apply this, as you guys can see, I'll get this kind of gradient. And even if I hit Ctrl R, as you guys can see, we will get a little bit of shift in our color format. And if I suppose click on it, then now as you guys can see, I'll get different options like basic shader. So and if you want to get rid of it, simply click on this color again, so you will get rid of that options. And again, if you want to open it, simply go over here and click on it. Then I can go to the shader and I can adjust this over here. So as you guys can see, we can see some shift in color also. If you hit Ctrl R, as you guys can see, we will get this kind of gradient. Okay, then you can also decide your type, like if you want 2D vertical, 2D on U, diagonal, etc, etc, like circular. So you will get this kind of stuff. As you guys can see, it will show you how your object is gonna look like this. Okay, so right now let's choose as it is, and I can adjust this. And also if I double click over here, I can adjust the color of this one, like if I choose red over here, and if I can choose blue over here like this. So as you guys can see, I can create beautiful colors to this material. Then as you guys can see, after the gradient, you will get this icon over here. If you click on it and load preset over here, it will provide you some preset. For example, I can choose this pattern also. And now if I hit Ctrl R, as you guys can see, we will get this kind of stuff. Okay, so this is the color options here. You can I mean, this is the gradient option you can apply. Now I'll go to the color, I'll go to the texture, and I'll clear all of it, so it will clear. Now let's talk about noise. So what is noise? From if you're After Effect user, then you know there is one effect known as fractal noise. So this is also like that. If you go to over here and if you go to the noise, as soon as you apply, as you guys can see, like a fractal noise, you will get this kind of thing over here. You can simply go over here. Then first option I would like to tell you is brightness and contrast. And if you see over here, color 1 is black, color 2 is white. Obviously you can change the color, and from here you can adjust the brightness. For example, you can increase the brightness of the white color and decrease the brightness, and you can adjust the contrast also. So according to that, your your object color will appear like that. If you hit Ctrl R, as you guys can see, we will get something like this. Now the global scale is right now is 100. If I make it 50 over here, and if I see, as you guys can see, the color is we will get different patterns. And from patterns you will get some different patterns also. If you see over here in noise, right now it's noise. If I go over here, as you guys can see, we have this many patterns. Like if I choose hammer over here, as you guys can see, we will get different pattern of that noise. So with the help of that, you can create different what you call texture for your object. You can choose this also like this. You can increase the global scale of that object also, so you will get some different results. And you can change the color of this one. So yep, this is about how to use gradient and how to use noise. We will use noise again in our bump map lecture, but right now all you need to understand, basically in noise we will get these two colors and we will get some certain patterns, and all you can do is adjust the global scale like that. Also you can animate that also, but we will see that in future videos. Right now you need to understand this much only.